How to log into SHEIN account. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have downloaded SHEIN app in your device. If not, you can head towards App Store or Play Store, search for the app SHEIN and then download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You'll be directed to this page. Now at the bottom, you'll see the option of Me. Click on that. Navigate to the option Sign in or Register. Now from here, you are able to log into your account. First up, you can click on this drop down and select your country. Then, type in your phone or email address linked with your account. Or also you can use Google account, Facebook ID or Apple ID to log into your account. If you have used these options to create your account, you can just click on it. And with that, you will be logged into your account. Or else you can type in your email address or password and then you'll be logged into your SHEIN account. So this way you can easily log into your SHEIN account. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.